Alright, now many of us are eagerly waiting for One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 for the Galaxy phones. And as far as the release dates of One UI 7 is concerned, Samsung is expected to release it during the developer conference on October 3rd, which is of course a couple of months away. However, we may get to enjoy all the new features on the beta version at least a month or two in advance, which means around end of August or beginning of September, we may get the beta version, the first beta on the latest Galaxy phones. Now, so far, the Android 15 has not been that great. There are some brand new features, but not something which is exciting. However, when it comes to One UI, we always see some exciting features being released by Samsung every year, and we always eagerly wait for that. Now, this time around, it seems that this update is going to be really great if the leaksters on the Twitter are true. Ice Universe on X recently tweeted that the One UI 7 may be the most changed version in the history of One UI. The icon is redrawn. So if this is true, this is going to be really exciting because we are going to get a brand new icon design on the One UI 7.0. We've been seeing the same icon design since the first version of One UI, and even today it has not changed. However, this may change in the upcoming One UI 7 if this leaked information by Ice Universe is true. And if you look at another tweet here by Bennett Brenner, he says One UI 7 is to be a fully revamped version of One UI with new icons, revamped UI, updated notification and quick panel designs. This is again very interesting. We may get some new design in the quick panel. We already got some changes in One UI 6.1, and apparently again Samsung is going to revamp the quick panel as well. Then we got brand new and enhanced animations. I really hope the animations are going to improve this time. We do have good animation on One UI. However, I would like to see something like a Pixel or iOS kind of animations which are very smooth. And even today, we don't see that smoothness and transitions on One UI. Then we have new AI enhanced Bixby. We saw this happening on the iOS 18. There is some AI integration in Siri, and now we are going to get similar features on Bixby as well. And he says potential introduction of Galaxy AI features into video recording and editing. Now, this was supposed to come on One UI 6.1.1, which we were supposed to get on the Galaxy phones. I'm not sure when we are going to get One UI 6.1.1. So let's hope we get that soon. If you're not getting that, these features will come on One UI 7. Then it says other new Galaxy AI features, general feature additions and enhancements, improved efficiency, organization and battery life. Now the battery life is very important. They have to improve the battery life on all the Galaxy phones. Of course, the latest Galaxy phones are brilliant. We are getting good battery life on the Galaxy S22 Ultra after One UI 6.1 update. Samsung really improved it on S22 series, but some of you guys are facing some battery performance issues on the S24 or S23. So the new One UI 7 should fix that battery performance issue as well. Then he went on to say likely addition of a new frame gen scaling feature powered by the NPU on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and upwards. Now this is a feature which is going to improve the frame rates or FPS for gaming or video contents. New frames will be generated between those rendered by a graphics card to provide smoother experience when it comes to gaming and even when it comes to the video contents. Now these are some important changes we can expect on One UI 7. Apart from this, we are also expecting the vertical app drawer on the Galaxy phones, and we can also expect built-in app lock, which we have been waiting for. I'm hoping that this time the One UI will get the app lock feature, the default app lock feature, since Apple has already introduced it on the iOS 18. So at least for that reason, we should be able to get this feature on One UI. Now this is what we know so far about One UI 7.0. If I get any further information, I will keep you guys posted. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video useful. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, I will leave a link for this in the description. You can go ahead and download it. Every video I post will have a brand new wallpaper. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.